Today, I'll be making my version of nachos, loaded nachos. I'll show you what I do right now. Okay, that's everything that will be going into the nachos. As you can see, some chilies, mince, cheese, chips, and some oil to fry in, and also some jalapeno slices. First, I'll be heating up the chili oil that I have in the cupboard. I also cut up 2 green chilies that I had in the fridge. Now I'm gonna add the mince. Okay, that's more or less what the mince looks like. I'm not gonna add all that oil, but a bit of oil is necessary because of the chips. I started off with a ghost pepper flavored bacon bites. And then some grated cheese, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. And then some Wellington sweet jalapeno sauce. Like that, and then on top of that I'll add the mince and then another layer just like that. So I added the mince and I added some jalapenos as well. Then exactly another layer like that, except for the first time I used the ghost pepper flavored bacon bites. This time I'm not going to use the normal bacon bites, the barbecue bacon bites. Okay, and that's what it looks like before it goes into the oven. Okay, and that is what the final product looks like. Now the finished product. This is something you must rather eat on your own, not in a restaurant, not this hashtag. So it's all in the taste. Let's see what it tastes like. Really came out nice. This is very delicious. Till next time, guys. Love you all. Cheers.